Hi guys, I'm going to share a project with you today called Where Does the Road Go? So what I need is a piece of paper. Any paper's fine. This is like a piece of paper from a sketchbook, but I got my pencil. But if it's computer paper or construction paper, that's fine too. I'm using white paper, but if you would rather use a different color, that's cool. So I have a pencil, colored pencils, and markers. So what I'm going to do is, I started on the back. Could you see that? I messed up on the back, so I started over. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my camera down. I had a little trouble before with my camera falling, which was super annoying, so just give me a second to make sure that doesn't happen again. Okay, so here is my paper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw some hills. So what it's supposed to look like is a bunch of hills and then a road like going into the background. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a big circle like that. It's gonna be like off the page, and then another one like this. Another one like that, and then I think I want from here another. Okay, so these are my hills. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my road here. I'm going to draw it like this. Ooh, I pressed the line a little bit. Okay, so it's going to get smaller as we go, okay? So that's my road, and it goes up to this hill, and then it goes down, so then I can't see what's happening. So then I think it comes up, I'm going to make it come up over here. Okay. And again, it's getting a little bit, that was super messy, so I'm gonna erase it. So it's getting a little bit smaller as we go, and then it goes down, and then maybe it comes up like this, then it goes down, and then it comes up and it's really, really, really small, and maybe like off into the distance, and we don't know what happens. Okay, so now I'm gonna color because this looks a little bit confusing. So I want my hills to be green. I think what I'm going to do, I think I might outline it with marker and then draw in some detail, like draw in some flowers and trees and stuff. Maybe I'll do that in colored pencil. Or maybe I'll just do it in marker so you guys can see. Okay, my green hill. Okay. Do we like this? I don't know if we like this. The way I'm coloring this, I'm doing this a little bit sloppy. Kind of messy. That came out. My hand turning green. Okay. So I know it looks a little confusing, but like we don't know. Oh my goodness, guys, I don't know what's happening here. I'm getting green everywhere. I know it looks a little confusing, but we don't know where we don't know where the road goes, and we can't see it when it's on the other side of the hill. Okay, so that's why and if you guys don't like that, if you guys just only want to make one bump, and then you could, what are we calling these bumps? Hills. If you guys only want to make one hill, that's cool too. And then you could put, if that's what you decide to do, you could put like where it's going in the background. Okay. Like where the road actually ends. is coming along a little bit, right? Now that it's outlined, I'm going to use some colored pencils to really, it's like, to add to it a little bit. I like mixing markers and colored pencils. I guess I'm going to have to do that. Like I said, these, I'm making these like, these green hills. These can be any color. They could be mountains, they could be, so like browns or whatever. They can also be like, if you want to draw like houses or flowers or trees or whatever you want. You can be like as creative with this as you want and really make it somewhere that you would want to go. I mean, like if you were driving on this road, where would you want it to end? I'm trying to use the sketchbook to lean on because I got so much marker on my hand that's getting everywhere. My yellow turns green. It's annoying. Okay. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna make my sky blue. I'm gonna write on it. Okay. Where will the road take you is what I wrote. Let me show you the finished product. What do you guys think?